over the world, I've seen grandchildren of slave masters tearing down slave master statue.
It has no historical benefit. And I'll tell you why as well. It embodies the racism that Black people experience today. I saw that as an act of resistance. What you saw there with the destruction of Edward Colston's statue, it represented the symbolic, breaking of chains, the racism chain, and that is what it symbolized. And you have to understand that this was a long time coming.